Do you have activate Windows watermark showing on your screen? Wait, let me teach you how to solve this step by step, as well as solve or fix your Windows or Office suite requesting a license key. Welcome to Armstrong IT Training and Software Hub. My name is Innocent Wasa, your facilitator.
Armstrong Training and Software Hub, we're leading the way.
Now on your computer screen, first you need to be connected to the internet to get rid of this Windows activation. Now how do we do this? First of all, open your Windows PowerShell and run as administrator. So I'm going to hit the Windows button and type Windows PowerShell right here. Then I click on Run as Administrator. So we wait while it loads. So this is our Windows PowerShell running as administrator. So I'm going to write my line of prompt to make sure this code runs on my computer screen. Our line of prompt. So this is our line of prompts to get rid of this activate Windows on our system. So now we hit the enter button. So you wait while it reads the feed. Downloading, please wait. So a display of options will pop up in your command prompts. So these are the displays. So we are going to use the numbers to navigate or select our options over here. So we are going to select option 4, which is online, KMS, Windows and Office. We want to activate our Windows and Office at the same time. So I'm going to hit the number 4. And another option displays which is activate Windows, activate Office all, activate Office project visual, then activate all. So I'm going to hit 4 to activate everything. So you wait whilst it initializes. Just like I said, you need to be connected to the internet. You need to have a strong internet service. Sometimes when you have a low internet service, this is some technical issues you may experience. So you can go back and start the whole process again. Then your Windows activation watermark will be removed. So after running successfully, it will bring you back to this administration on your command prompt where you select 0 to go back and 0 again to exit. Then over here you type exit on your screen. So Windows PowerShell is exit. So on your right corner here you see you don't have the activate Windows watermark anymore. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you again in our next session. Thank you.
Armstrong Computers, we're leading the way, bringing ICT to your doorstep every day. Where vision meets excellence, we stand strong, transforming students where they belong. In the halls of knowledge, we light the spot.